Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon Associates mobile deep links for higher conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Amazon Associates mobile deep links for higher conversions, start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Navigate to the product linking section in the main menu. Click on link to any page. Search for a specific product you want to promote by entering its name or ASIN in the search bar. Once you find the product, click on the Get Link button next to it. In the link creation options, select Mobile Link. This will generate a link. Copy the generated mobile deep link. Now, you need to create a custom URL if you want to enhance tracking. Visit a URL shortening service such as Bitly or TinyURL. Paste your mobile deep link into the URL shortener. Customize the link to make it memorable and relevant to your audience. Save and copy your new shortened link. Next, integrate the deep link into your content strategy. Consider the platforms where your audience engages, such as blogs, social media, or email marketing. Ensure your content provides value and context about the product. Highlight specific use cases to resonate with your audience. When promoting your deep links, utilize compelling calls to action. Incorporate urgency by mentioning limited time offers or discounts. Track the performance of your mobile deep links using Amazon's reporting tools. Regularly analyze which links yield the highest conversions. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to maximize your results. Stay informed about updates in Amazon Associates policies to ensure compliance. By following these steps, you can configure mobile deep links effectively to increase conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.